Here is your chance to own a highly profitable motel with a great reputation that the current owners have been successfully running for over 14 years. Taylor's Motel has 18 units, including 6 stunning new units, plus a 2-bedroom house and a spacious 4-bedroom manager's unit. The motel is in a tranquil setting with a lovely garden and a fabulous north-facing location. They have excellent modern facilities that feature fibre internet, units with air conditioning, a covered barbecue area, a swimming pool and a children's play area. The motel is located in central Ashburton, the hub of the mid-Canterbury area, and is only a 1-hour drive away from Christchurch. It has a steady occupancy rate, excellent customer service, and made a profit of over $250,000 last year. You just have to read the reviews to see the hard work has already been done. Here is an outstanding opportunity for an astute purchaser to obtain a well-performing business with strong growth potential with a great lifestyle. Call James or Eric now. ABC Business Sales will take you there.